Good morning everyone. Myself B. Rajeshwari. This is the video presentation according to CAA2. Here my topic is Introduction of Baseband Transmission. Subject Analog and Digital Communication. Introduction to Baseband Transmission, Fundamental and Importance of Digital Communications. Introduction of the baseband transmission. Baseband transmissions refers to direct transmission of a digital signals over a communication medium. It is one of the fundamental techniques used in a digital communication to send data without modulation. Understanding baseband transmission is crucial for designing efficiency of communication system. Here see the baseband transmissions and broadband transmissions. What is baseband transmissions? Baseband transmissions involve sending signals in their original forms to without changing their frequencies. It is commonly used in a local area networkings (LNS) for a short distance communications. The technique utilizing the entire baseband, the medium for transmitting a signal. Key characteristics of a baseband transmission. Baseband systems typically used in pulse code modulations to encoding a digital data and digital signals. The transmission medium may include a copper cable, fiber optics, and even wireless technologies. This is the advantages of the baseband transmissions, and the limitations of the distances often require representations of a long range communications. This is the sine wave for the baseband transmission. Advantages of the baseband transmission. Baseband transmission offer high data rates, but the advantages of the modulating overhead. It is a similar and less expensive broadband transmissions methods. These technologies also for straightforward implementations of the distance signaling techniques. Here the example for the baseband transmissions are 5G baseband radio process marketing offers providing insights of the data, the time period from the 2024 to 31, and also providing the analyzing based on the applications. This is a case study for that, and a 50 disadvantages of the baseband transmissions. Baseband transmissions is sustainable for the attending a noise over the longer distances. The baseband is not shared with which can be limit the number of simulation transmissions. It may require additional hard work for the converting signal when interface with other systems. Applications of the baseband transmissions. Baseband transmissions is commonly used in Ethernet networks of the data communications. It's employing the digital audio and video transmission systems. The technique is also used in a control of the industrial automations. Baseband transmissions versus broadband transmissions. Unlike baseband transmissions and broadband transmissions use multiple frequencies to send multiple signals to simulations, baseband transmissions is a typical limitations of a short distances with a broadband can covered in a large geographical areas. The choice between baseband and broadband depends on a specifically required of the communication systems, typically limited in a shorter distances, which broadband transmissions can cover large geographical areas too. The choice of the baseband transmissions and broadband transmissions depends on the required of the communication system. Further trends of the baseband transmission. Advance in the technology are leading a higher data rates are the improved performing a baseband systems integrated with a wireless communications and technologies expanding the applications of the baseband transmissions. Ongoing researches and references enhancing errors of corrections, reducing latency rates in digital communications. Conclusion. Baseband transmissions remains a fundamental technicals in digital communication. These also a foundational techniques of the digital communications too. It simplifies and effective, make it suitable various applications like radio communication systems. Understanding baseband principles and essentially for anyone involved in a field of the digital communications. advanced technology and leading to higher data rates and improving performances of baseband systems. Integrated with the wireless technologies, expanding and applications of a baseband transmissions, ongoing researches focus enhancing errors. Conclusion: baseband transmissions remaining a fundamental techniques of the digital communications. It's a simplify, effective, make it suitable for various applications. Feel free to modify and easy to expand after any part. Thank you.